Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some elegant country style cottage decoration ideas. Let's take a look. Country style cottage decoration is a warm, cozy and welcoming interior style inspired by traditional countryside homes. It combines natural materials, soft colors, vintage pieces, floral patterns, and handmade details to create a relaxed and homely atmosphere. Here are some country-style cottage decoration tips. Decorate with oven trays. Place candles, small plants, or pottery on oven trays to create organized decorative displays. Create a cottage kitchen corner. Arrange a wooden cutting board, ceramic jars, herbs, and a small vase of flowers together for a charming display. Use fabric-covered furniture. A comfortable upholstered chair or bench can soften the look of a room and make it more inviting. Decorate with books. Stick a few old-looking books on a table or shelf to create a relaxed, lived-in atmosphere. Use wooden peg rails. Peg rails are useful for hanging baskets, towels, hats, aprons, or small decorative items. Add countryside-inspired pottery. Handmade-looking pottery in earthy or muted shades can become beautiful focal point. Keep surfaces uncluttered. Display a few meaningful pieces rather than filling every shelf or tabletop with decorations. Use soft lighting at night. Warm-toned lamps and small lanterns can make the cottage feel especially cozy in the evening. Add natural greenery to the kitchen. Small pots of herbs such as mint or basil can provide both decoration and a useful touch. Choose simple window boxes. If appropriate for your home, flowers or greenery around windows can strengthen the countryside character. Decorate with animal wear. White or pastel animal containers, bowls, and pitchers can give the kitchen an old-fashioned country character. Use crocheted accents. Crochet blankets, table turners, coasters, or pillow covers add warmth and a lovely handmade touch. Choose natural window treatments. Linen or cotton curtains allow soft grey light into the room and complement the relaxed cottage aesthetic. Use collections thoughtfully. Group similar items such as pottery, vintage bottles, or small baskets together for a charming display. Use soft blue accents. Powder blue, dusty blue, or muted blue-gray can add a fresh countryside touch to neutral rooms. Add a small herb garden. Place herbs in ceramic pots on a sunny windowsill for a fresh and useful cottage-inspired display. Use ruffled textiles sparingly. A ruffled cushion, curtain aids, or bedspread can add softness without making the room look overly decorative. Create a cozy breakfast nook. A small wooden table with comfortable chairs and floral cushions can make an inviting everyday dining space. Decorate with countryside baskets. Use different sizes of baskets for storage while keeping frequently used items easy to access. Use vintage-style storage jars. Glass or ceramic jars can organize kitchen essentials while keeping the countryside aesthetic consistent. Choose soft-colored furniture. Cream, shades, pale blue or muted green furniture can give the room a gentle cottage appearance. Display oven hands or baskets. Hang a few natural oven pitches on a wall to create an attractive and useful arrangement. Use floral bedding. A delicate floral duvet or quilt can bring classic cottage character to the bedroom. Add a small garden-inspired arrangement. Combine greenery, flowers, and a ceramic pot to create a simple nature-inspired centerpiece. Choose edged-looking finishes. Lightly distressed furniture and weathered textures can give the space a relaxed, lived-in appearance. Decorate shelves in layers. Place taller items at the back and smaller objects in front to create depth without making the shelves messy. Use natural fiber rugs. Jute, seashell, cotton, or other woven rugs can add warmth and texture to cottage interiors. Keep the overall mood relaxed. Country cottage decoration works best when it feels comfortable, personal, practical, and connected to nature. Add a vintage-style cabinet. Choose a painted or naturally weathered cabinet to store dishes, linen, books, or decorative pages. Use soft cotton curtains. Lightweight cotton curtains with subtle stripes, checks, or floral patterns can create a relaxed countryside atmosphere. Create a flower-filled centerpiece. Place seasonal flowers in a simple ceramic jug or glass bottle for an effortless cottage table arrangement. Decorate with wooden crates. Repurposed wooden crates can work as small shelves, strong units, or plant stands while adding rustic charm. Add a farmhouse-style sink. If renovating a kitchen, a deep apron front sink can become a beautiful traditional focal point. Display copper or brass pitches. A few edged metal utensils, trays, or containers can add warmth and vintage character. Use botanical decorations, botanical prints, pressed flowers, and leaf illustrations can reinforce the connection with nature. Create a cozy sofa arrangement. Combine cushions in complementary floral, checked, strapped, or plain fabrics for a comfortable layered look. Decorate with ceramic jugs. Place a large jug on a table or shelf and fill it with branches, greenery, or seasonal flowers. Add an oven laundry basket. A natural wicker or rattan basket can keep laundry organized while fitting beautifully into the cottage aesthetic. Use soft candlelight. Decorative candles in simple holders can make living and dining areas feel warm and inviting. Use striped fabrics. Narrow stripes in muted colors work well alongside floral or gingham patterns without overwhelming the room. Use ticking stripes. Ticking striped fabric on cushions, curtains, or upholstery adds a subtle farmhouse touch. Add a wooden pegboard. A pegboard can organize kitchen tools, craft supplies, or small accessories while keeping the space visually interesting. Use floral tableware. Floral plates, mugs, and serving dishes can bring cheerful cottage character to everyday meals. Create a cozy corner shelf. Install a small wooden shelf in an unused corner and decorate it with pottery, books, plants, and small frames. Add a woven headboard. A rattan or wicker headboard can introduce natural texture and a relaxed cottage feeling to the bedroom. Use simple bed linens. Layer plain cotton sheets with a patterned quilt and a few cushions for a comfortable country-inspired bed. Decorate with old-style kitchen tools. Wooden spoons, rolling pins, cutting boards, and ceramic utensils can become attractive kitchen displays. Thanks for watching the video.